my name is Alvani Rafika Putri, number 37. Indonesia is currently experiencing the rainy season, which has started since October and still ongoing. The government urges the public to be alert from disasters that might occur, not infrequently floods. Floods are caused by many things, such as the first high rainfall. The high rainfall that occurs has an impact on increasing the volume of water on land. If the water cannot be completely absorbed by the soil or flow into rivers, it could be the cause of flooding. Then the second habit of disposing of waste that is not in place will have a bad impact on the environment. Disposing of garbage indiscriminately can damage the river flow, which eventually triggers flooding. Then, trees or plants also play an important role to absorb water that falls to the ground. If there is a large scale filling of trees, it can potentially cause flooding and landslide. And the causes of flooding that are not released are the habit of burning garbage, vehicle pollution, and smoke from industry. Some of these habits can make the protective layer in the atmosphere or ozone damage, which cause global warming, which cause flash floods. Then there are several efforts. Then we can do everything to prevent flooding, both in the home environment and in the residential environment. Number 1, do not throw garbage into river and sewers. It is important to keep rivers and ditches clean so that they can accommodate high water discharge during the rainy season. Unfortunately, there are those who like to litter in river or sewers. This will clog rivers and sewers and reduce their capacity to hold water. And number 2, avoid making buildings on the bank of the river. Currently, more and more are building on the bank of the river. Even though it can cause flooding, the construction of houses or buildings on the bank of the river will narrow the river. In addition, household waste has the potential to enter the river. And number 3, selective cutting and reforestation. After cutting down a tree, it is best to plant a new tree. Prioritize planting large rooted trees that can absorb water quickly. And number 4, increase green open land. The city in the far from the forest, garden open land in urban areas can replace forests and add catchment areas in urban areas to avoid flooding. This area can be planted with various trees that are good for absorbing water. And number 5, maintaining and clean waterways regularly. Maintenance of drains and cleaning them regularly can prevent flooding. This can be done collaboratively by the residents around the water channel. This aims to ensure that the waterways are ready to accommodate if the rainfall increases so that flooding does not occur. That's the way to prevent flooding that we can do. May we avoid the flood? Yeah. Then maybe this is enough that I can share, and I hope for us all to really take care of our earth, our place of residence, our environment, because if not us, Who else will it be? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.